We have to find the quotient of 1478.82 and 58.32, and we have to run to the nearest hundredth. When we have to find the quotient, so it means we have to do long division. We have 1478.82 divided by 58.32. So first, to do long division, we need to have our divisor whole number. At this moment, we have decimal number. So we will move decimal point how many times? 2, because we have 2 digits after decimal point. So we move 2 digits our decimal point. So now we will have whole number in our divisor. Whatever we did with our divisor, we have to do with our dividend. So we move 2 times our decimal point. So let me rewrite now. This is equal 1478.82 decimal point. We have to divide by 5832. In our divisor, we don't need decimal point. So let's set long division. We have 5832, 1478.82 decimal point. Because we need to round to nearest hundredth, so we need 3 digits after decimal point, because second digit it will be hundredth. We need 1 more digit to do the rounding. So we add 3 zeros after decimal point because we need to round to nearest hundredth. Like I said, hundredth is the second digit, so we need 1 extra digit to do the rounding. So now, let's do this. How many times 5832 will go to 14,788? 2 times. So we have to write 2 times. Our divisor also will be 11,664. Subtraction. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what next? We have to take down next digit. And now, how many times 5832 goes to 31,242? 5 times. 5 times our 5832 will be 29160. Again, subtraction. So we have 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 6 we cannot do, so we have to borrow 1 from next digit, so it will be 14 and 1. So we have 14 minus 6 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 9, we need to borrow 1 from 3, so it will be 2, and we have 11 minus 9 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, we don't have to write. What next? We have to take to the top decimal point exactly in the same column, and we take next digit down. So we have now 20,120 divided by 5,832 will be 3 times 5,832, so will be 17,496. Subtraction we have to do again. 0 minus 6 we cannot do, so we will borrow 1 from 2, so it will be 1 and 10 at the end. 10 minus 6 is 4. 1 minus 9, so we have to go to next column and we will borrow 1 from 8, so it will be 7, and we have 11 minus 9 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. And now we have 20 minus 17 is 3. So what next? We have to take down next digit. And again we have to do division. 33,240 divided by 5,832. So it will be 5 times 5,000 832, so it will be 29,160, and now we have to do subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 6, we have to borrow 1 from 2, so it will be 1, here will be 14, minus 6, so will be 8, 1 minus 1 is 0, we have to borrow 1 from 3, so it will be 13 minus 9, so it will be 4, and we have to take down next digit, 0, so we have 40,800 divided by 5,832, so this is 6. 6 times 5,832, so it will be 34,992. Have to subtract. 0 minus 2, so we have to borrow 1 from 80, so it will be 79, and here will be 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. 7 minus 9, we have to borrow 1 from 40, so it will be 39, and here will be 17. Minus 9 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. So because we need to round to the nearest hundredth, like I said, we can stop long division. We can write our quotient is 25, decimal point 356, because we need to round to hundredth, so we need 3 digits after decimal point. We have to underline hundredth. 10th hundredth is the second digit after decimal point, and we check what was after our underlined digits is 6. When we have number greater than 5, we need to add 1 to our underlined digits, and everything what is after our underlined digits we have to change to 0, so it will be 0. 5 plus 1 is 6, and everything what is before our underlined digits we have to rewrite. So our solution will be 25 decimal point 36.